Hey Wayne, so today's your grand opening?
Yes, sir.
How you feeling about it?
I'm feeling good, man. I'm happy to get it out of the way, man.
Yeah.
When it comes to stuff like this, it's just a lot of work. Sometimes it puts a lot of stress on certain people, you know what I mean? And it's teaching us to be able to come together and work as a team. So, ready to get things flowing and things to straighten out all these little kinks and stuff. So, it's going. I'm excited to finally have the grand opening and to wake people up, you know, to what I got going on. So, yeah.
Hey man, but you've actually made a couple sales already.
Yes, sir.
People finding you.
They came through. They're finding me. YouTube. I'm asking everybody. I'm gonna start doing a tally mark. YouTube, word of mouth. I'm gonna start writing it down to see where I'm hitting most at. Yeah.
So this is the shop. Are you done, or do you still need more items?
Nah.
It seems pretty full.
I'm not done. I actually took a whole lot out just to make it not appear like I'm empty. Like for instance, another shelf right here and another one right here. We took out all the extra stuff. So that right there, see how we opened it up, the gaps?
Yeah.
So that's gonna be closed. We'll be able to put another rack there. 2 more racks. Another two more racks right here. So we'll be able to put different suppliers. Coach Kimmy. Then right here we could put Clean Tech. Then right here we could put Turtle Wax. Then we could push some stuff down more and fit another supplier right there. And this wall right here, see right behind you, Reyes?
Yes, sir.
We can hang stuff right there. That's gonna be a section for, I don't know what, y'all let me know. But we're gonna just compact everything in here.
And I see products, I see chemicals.
Right.
What's next? Equipment?
Yep, vacuum cleaners can go up there. I could put an extractor right here. You know what I mean? Just one. It's gonna be stuff out on display. Extractor, we're gonna get the pressure washer. Those sold out actually. We're gonna get the hoses. That's what I could put. I could hang some hoses up there. Everything is gonna be on display, so I don't have a lot of room. So after my year, I got almost about a year and some change left here. After I outgrow it, just take everything to the next spot and just continue to expand from there. So,
what has been the hardest thing with the grand opening?
The hardest thing with the grand opening?
Or the biggest stress?
It's a variety of things.
Yeah.
I would say we did the painting, putting stuff together, looking at it, saying, oh, this don't look good right here. So the design and the structure of how to set things up. We had this on that side, the cash register desk, we had it over there. And this thing is extremely heavy. We got to put it on like a dolly thing to push it. So just figuring out how to make more room, that was the most difficult thing. Like, this don't look good.
And what's your expectations for the grand opening? Because a lot of people said they were coming, man.
The expectations is to make sales, man. It's cool to come here and conversate, hear people's stories, and bounce ideas off of each other. But the most important thing, I started this store. I invested a lot of money into it, and I would like to continue to expand and grow to be able to supply you guys. So far, 2 people came in, made some big purchases. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for people to come consistently. So that's the goal, really. Hey, come and show some support. 3306 Orange Grove Avenue, North Highlands, California. Come through and support me. And I'm just looking to provide for those people out there that need help, man. That's the ultimate goal in the end. And give the gospel.
Hey Wayne, so we're like, it's 12, a couple hours into the grand opening. How's it going, man?
Oh, it's going pretty smooth. Getting a lot of purchases, you know what I mean?
A lot of people are
cool.
stopping by.
Getting to meet a lot of new people. Some faces I got, seen on YouTube popped up. So it's going pretty smooth, man. I'm hungry though.
What's the next thing for the event?
Next thing, we do have a raffle. I don't think we gave everybody their tickets. That's one thing we got to do. And
what are we raffling off?
Some ceramic coatings. I got 3 different ceramic coatings and a couple other stuff that the girls went and grabbed and put in the bag. I may add a couple more stuff, but that's what we got. Come down to 3306 Orange Grove Avenue. Come and pick your supplies up. I supply your needs. Hunters Detailing, like, share, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's go.